please, mate. Yes. Come on. Direzione Garibaldi. Let's go. To be fair, look at this place. Wow. This place is nice. I think I've come to this place before. In the morning. Is this the place? So they gave me a number. As you can see, 22. Right now it's 21, so when it's 22 I'll be in. So apparently this is the most famous, one of the most famous, if not the most famous pizza place.
Table 31.
31? Okay. Is this the most famous pizza place in Napoli? Yeah? Why is it famous?
Good. Julia Roberts.
Oh, Julia Roberts. Oh, pizza good. Yeah, that makes sense. All right, let's get in. 31. Ciao, ciao. 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 Perfetto.
Tanti auguri, noi siamo
Oh, thank you. Oh, Turin! Juventus! Juventus! Wow!
Forza Napoli.
Forza Napoli! Forza Napoli! I have been served the biggest pieces ever. Look how big this thing is. Goodness gracious me. I don't think I can finish this, bro. I just had like quarter of it. Let me see if I can take it for takeaway.
One box?
One box.
The total is 650. Okay?
650?
Yes, €1 for place setting. €1.50 for pizza.
€1 for?
Place setting.
Place safety?
Yes.
Okay. Alright. Checking off from Napoli. Napoli was really good. I really liked it. This is the train. It looks like this. Very quiet. Nice. This is my seat. My first day of interrailing, and I am the only one in the entire cabin. Entire train to myself.